safe and healthy. I wish for you to stay safe from the wildfire. Remember to stay together.
I wish you to rebuild your healthy and good city back.
Hope you feel better.
我希望你能好起来。
Hope will be with you every step of the way.
Keep yourself safe. I wish everyone is safe and healthy.
I wish everyone lives in peace, have a place to live, and have what they want.
I hope you can rebuild your life again.
Bless the weak so they can be strong. Bless the evil so they will find light. Bless those who are lost so they can be found.